So, how are you, Mr. Tagara?
I'm fine, sir.
We are glad to see that you have beautified your place.
Yes.
So, we would like to know the idea behind this thing.
Okay, all right. The idea behind this initiative
Yeah.
is quite an interesting one.
Okay.
This that we are seeing here is one of our education goals.
Yes.
Currently, as Zimbabwe, we are adopting what we call Education 5.0. Under the Education 5.0, as learners, we are tasked to come up with deliverables to implement what we have learned into practice. So this is part and parcel of implementing what we learn in community education and lifelong learning into practice. As we are witnessing, we are trying to educate communities. University of Zimbabwe also being included as a community to plant trees, to adopt the habit of planting trees.
All right.
You all are aware of trees are life.
Okay.
As we are breathing right now, it is because trees are breathing out oxygen and we are breathing in carbon dioxide, which they use in the process of. So in the process of what is it called? We respire. What trees transpire? Isn't it?
Yes.
I'm not aware of the term, but trees, they breathe out carbon dioxide.
Yes.
They breathe out oxygen and they breathe in carbon dioxide. So trees and animals, human beings also included, it is a symbiotic relationship.
Okay.
So if we have a world where there are no trees, it means human beings are also bound to be extinct. The world is currently battling the problem of global warming as a result of the combustion of the emission of fumes
And a lot of
greenhouse
gases.
gases, which are detriment to the environmental sustainability.
Okay.
So this is a small effort, but at least it is an effort.
Yeah.
It is an effort in the right direction. We are calling upon everyone who is going to see this video to also adopt this habit of planting trees. These trees that you are seeing today, we transplanted them from our areas where we stay, and we transplanted them into these that you are seeing were formerly plastic bottles which were discarded in campus. We collected them. By so doing, we are also trying to address the problem of littering. We are saying the environment is being littered.
Okay.
We are talking of mitigating negative externalities of economic activities. Economic players, they continue to only focus on profit.
Yes.
Nobody's caring about the other consequences of their activities.
Okay.
The other consequences of their activities is pollution, which results from the packages which the economic players use.
Right.
So we took it incumbent upon us to address such issues. So,
okay, so maybe I might have a certain question. Like last time we've came across, I'm sure if you opened your portal, your email portal, there was a note which says to say the University of Zimbabwe is what can we call it? Is calling for students, for associations, for clubs to submit those proposals which are meant to address this issue, waste management. Yes. So as an association, as a club, what have you done so far concerning that issue?
We are in the process of crafting our own proposal so that we take part in the process. And this initiative that we are talking about is part and parcel of also managing waste.
Okay.
In waste management, there is the issue of reusing litter.
Okay.
So this issue of planting trees in discarded plastic bottles and the metal cans is one way of managing waste. So this is one of our our upper end, can I call it upper end?
Yeah.
Yes, to a certain extent, it is one of our strengths, which we are going to incorporate in our document, which we are going to submit in the competition.
Okay. So wow, that's a wonderful job indeed. So we've seen that you've some trees here which you planted today. There was sort of like more of them are replacements.
Yes.
So what challenge were you facing with those trees? Yeah.
Okay. One challenge is there are some stakeholders who are acting against our initiatives.
Okay.
There are people who are responsible for maintaining this grass. We are supposed who are supposed to cut it short so that it becomes nice. Those people, we are encountering challenges whereby they I don't know whether
they mow down it. They mow.
I don't know, but it is a challenge. Okay. I think these are we are supposed to engage these people so that we get to understand each other. We are trying to flag the trees as you see with the sticks.
Yeah, I can see now it seems clear the visibility of it. I know they cannot do it again.
Of them, they did not dry up. They were mowed in the process of cutting grass.
Okay.
They could not distinguish the trees which we had planted.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tagara. Let's move on to another session.